In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Jotform to Facebook page. If you're looking to collect leads, run surveys, or accept registrations directly from your Facebook page, this is a simple and effective way to do it. We'll walk through the process from your Jotform dashboard to seeing your form appear as a tab on your page, and I'll share tips along the way to make sure everything connects smoothly. Start by logging into your Jotform account. Make sure you're using the account where your form is saved, and confirm that you have the correct permissions for the Facebook page you want to connect to. You'll need to be an admin or have the appropriate role on that page for the integration to work. Once you're in, go to My Forms. This is your main hub where all your forms live. Find the specific form you want to add to your Facebook page. Click on it to highlight it, then look for the More option. From that menu, choose Integrations. This opens Jotform's integration directory, where you can connect your form to different platforms. In the search bar, type Facebook or Facebook page. You'll see the option specifically for adding a form to a Facebook page. Click Add to Facebook. This will start the connection process. At this point, Jotform will prompt you to authenticate your Facebook account. Log in if you aren't already, and follow the on-screen prompts to grant the necessary permissions. These permissions allow Jotform to add the form as a tab on your page. It doesn't post content for you or change your page settings beyond that tab. After authentication, you'll be asked to select the Facebook page where you want the form to appear. If you manage multiple pages, pick the right one from the list. Double check you've selected the correct page, especially if the form is meant for a specific audience or campaign. Next, click Add Form to finalize the connection. Jotform will confirm the setup and link your selected form to the page you chose. Your form will now appear as a tab on your page. On desktop, it usually shows up in the Tabs section beneath your cover image, sometimes under the More dropdown. Give it a moment to sync, refresh your page, and click the tab to preview. If you don't see the page listed during setup, it's often a permissions issue. Also note that some Facebook mobile views don't display tabs, so check on desktop for the most accurate preview. And that's it. You've successfully added your Jotform to your Facebook page.